Hi, so a lot of you must have faced this issue before. So so I usually watch highlights when I miss the matches from fullmatchesandshows.com. I usually get the link from different sources, so it could be FootyTube. So wherever you are, you say you ended up here at fullmatchesandshows.com. So I need to watch the highlights, but for some reason it doesn't work in a lot of browsers. So as you can see, I have opened this in Google Chrome incognito mode as it is recommended here. I have disabled adblock. I have tried another browser. I have tried Firefox, and I went reloaded the whole page. It doesn't work. A lot of the times it doesn't work. It doesn't work on the Firefox of Ubuntu. It does not work on Chrome of Ubuntu, and it doesn't work when the adblock is on, which is useful for other websites, as you might have realized. So this is just I found out a way to watch this video. I found out a way to download the video, and so that you can watch it on your local system. So I am currently on Ubuntu OS. I'm on Google Chrome incognito mode, but I don't need to be here. You can do this from any other place also if you need to do it. So first of all, you will click on whatever format you want to watch this match in, or whatever show it is. Whatever you want to watch from this site, you can watch. I believe you can even watch shows. Okay, so say you want to watch highlights extended or highlights of match of the day, MOTD's match of the day. So match of the day is a program in British television to watch where they cover the matches which happened in the English Premier League over the weekend. So forget about that. Say I want to download highlights extended. So what I'll do, I'm on Chrome right now. In Firefox the process will be slightly different, but say you're on Chrome. I believe Chrome is better for this purpose, because in Firefox you will come to know that later. So I'll right click, I'll click on inspect element. So something opens on the right. So it should be in the elements tab. So this is a developer console. So people who are developing web pages usually have use for this. You might not be one, but don't worry, it's not very technical. So you'll press on one of the tags you see on the left hand side on the elements tab. So you press Ctrl F, which means you can search for data-config. This is important, data-config. Okay, so you will see some thing highlighted. It's inside some section which starts with script and ends with /script. So this is called a tag. It's this language which is used to display this web page is called HTML. So this is written in HTML. Script is one of the tags of HTML. Inside that there is an attribute. We call that an attribute. Attribute is what describes the tag further. So data config is an attribute for the script tag. So you will see that the data config attribute has some content after the equals and the inverted commas. I believe that's called an inverted comma. So inside that you can see some text. So you'll copy that text carefully. So I'll show it again. You will double click it inside the attribute. Okay, then you press Ctrl C to copy it. Then you will open this in a new tab. So I just pasted it and opening it. But there is an issue, because this guy, the browser understands this as being in the same space where it's situated. So it thinks that this is in the file system. This is not in the file system. So you'll paste it again. You will basically go to the address bar wherever you write the address, then paste it. Then you press the home button so that you go to the start http:/. So this opens some sort of gibberish as far as you're concerned, for sure. So you need to make this understandable. So this is written in a format called JSON. JSON is also in communication language like XML, which is used by in HTML to display the web page. HTML is a specification which is used to display web pages. It uses XML. XML is the language which has the script, which has the tags and attributes which describe the tags, and the combination of tags which can be inside another, they describe the whole web page. But that's different. That's you don't need to know if you're not in the software industry. So anyway, you will Ctrl A to select all. Then you will copy, Ctrl C. You can go to the edit. Okay, it's not possible in edit, I believe. Let me check again. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So you click here, you Ctrl A, then you press Ctrl C. Then you'll open in a new tab. Now you'll search for JSON beautifier. So because this is written in a JSON language which has been minified, that means it has been compressed to save space. So you need to expand it so that you can at least make some sense of it. Second link, codebeautify.org JSON viewer. It's a beautifier. So basically it beautifies the JSON so that you can better understand it. So you will go press on JSON input tab, you will go and paste it. So you'll use Ctrl V, or you can right click. Okay, I can't paste it like this. Okay, so I pasted it, then I'll beautify it. Okay, and on the right you can see the result of this beautification. So on the right you will search for manifest. So once you search for manifest, you will find that it is inside a tag called content. Inside that it's in an attribute called media. Inside that there is an attribute called F4M, or maybe you can call this a tag. So whatever it is, it's inside content, it's inside media, and it's inside F4M. So this F4M content you will copy, similar to how you copied the data config content without the inverted commas in both cases. I forgot to mention that earlier. So you copy this content and you will open it in a new tab, and lo behold, so you have, this is the goal of our whole project. This is what we had been searching for. This is the treasure. So you can see a base URL tag. So this is where, this is like the directory for in the web world. This is like a directory which contains the files which you wish to download. And the files, what are the files available? There is video sd.mp4. This is in standard quality. That means the video which is available is in standard quality, I believe HD, but it's they have mentioned it's they are not mentioned it's HD. So another thing is mobile, so we want the video sd.mp4, and the base URL signifies the directory where the video file is situated. The video file has an extension mp4, so mp4 is an extension for video files. So that you'll open this open a new tab, you will copy the base URL. Okay, base URL, Ctrl C, paste. You go to the previous tab again, you will copy the file name, and the file name in currently for our interest will be video-sd.mp4, not mobile. Mobile will be used to display mobile quality videos, so that will be of a lesser quality if you are on a computer, and you must be doing all this process on a computer. So I believe you will be needing video-sd.mp4. So go to the new tab where you pasted the base URL earlier, and you will put a / to signify that that thing is a directory, and you will press the file name. You will paste the file name of what we decided to download, which is standard quality video, and then you will press enter. So something has opened in this page, and if you press the play button, you can watch it on the browser itself, or you can download it. On the right hand side you can see download button, I have not seen, and you can save the file, so wherever you wish. So that's useful, right? And I have saved it. It's 129 MB. It will take time to download, but that's great, right? You can watch the video now even if you can't open it in your browser, and that should be good, right? Thanks.